Look at that cheese. Time to try it. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. It's like an all-in-one little breakfast sandwich. Let's see if we can get a nice cheese pull. Mmm. Adding that extra cheese on the outside, that like crispy grilled cheese. Mmm. Some sriracha, added a little sriracha in there. Rub it on in. Mmm. I just feel like it's a perfect hot sauce for it. It has the heat, it has like the acidity and a touch of sweetness, which really goes well with kind of rich eggs. Mmm. This is like ultimate post-workout. You got your carbs, protein. I mean bacon. Oh guys, bacon just makes everything better. Mmm. I'm kind of amazed at how easy it was, but how good it tastes. Like for some reason, just doing the kind of French toast situation on it really changes the way it tastes compared to like if you just made a fried egg with bacon and cheese. Mmm. Last bite. If you like this video, let me know in the comments what other egg dishes you think I should make. And of course, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me.